Hi guys, what's up? Again, this is Greed for Money, and as you may notice on the title here, it says Greed for Money's Insider Tips. Alright, if you haven't heard of me before guys, basically, um, hindi mo marireceive tong email na to if you don't know me. Alright, so you probably saw me before in Sulit, alright, and I showed you on how I'm making money in Sulit. I mean, using pay-to-click sites, those, get paid to sites. And just to share with you that I have some very good success with PTC. All right, so that's why um, you're here on my list because you saw me before and you got interested, you saw the potential and all that stuff. And now I'm going to share to you something that is completely different. All right. Well, first off, before we continue, all right. Like what I'm always doing before, I am so honest when I'm showing any opportunity kahit kanino. I don't hide anything. All right. That's the difference between me and other marketers na nakikita mo sa email mo or other ads. All right. So that's my difference. Um, so before we continue or before we start, let me just straight just tell you straight na this is going to be a multi-level marketing opportunity. All right. You might get shocked about that, right? Multi-level marketing opportunity. Sorry. Because paid to click has the relation or they're kind of interrelated with multi-level marketing opportunity. All right. Actually, before I even joined in pay to click 2 years ago, I would love to join in multi-level opportunity, but I was too skeptical to join. All right. I just don't, I just don't like that weird feeling na, alam mo yon, na sasali kayo sa isang bagay na hindi mo alam kung paano mag-work. So for the past 2 years, while I'm doing pay to click, this is something na medyo pinag-aralan ko talaga siya for the past 2 years. So it, I went from long preparation to learn all of this. All right. So, so if you are negative with MLM from the start, I'm sorry, or if you're just thinking that this is just a hype presentation na mga hype lang ako sa presentation ko, which is I never really do, right? You know me from the start. And if you're gonna think na yayaman ka dito overnight, or this is just another scam na iniisip mo, then I would appreciate na pinapanood mo tong video ko, but I would suggest to you na i-close mo na tong screen right now. Bali i-exit mo na siya because this is nothing of what you're thinking na negative, all right? But I completely understand na meron talaga mga taong negative about this MLM. So if you're part of it, then just close your window. All right. So well, firstly, I'm gonna say again, thank you sa pag-click ng email ko sa'yo, and I promise to you that this is going to be the first and last time na makikita mo tong video ko sa email mo. I'm not gonna send it again to you. All right, as a respect. All right, so you can go ahead and close your page right now, and maghihintay ako ng like 5 seconds. All right, so 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right. So, na-close mo na. Okay. So, now I'm assuming na ang mga sumusunod na nanonood itong video ko as of now is yung mga taong nagstay, right? Somewhat you're interested, don't know what it is, so you wanna know more about it, right? Well, firstly, I wanna say thank you for staying and watching my video. And second is, I want you to close your door, close mo kung nasa kwarto ka, or get somewhere na medyo tahimik, alright? Mag-sign out ka muna sa Facebook. Ako actually, kasi sign out ko lang, alright? And grab a coffee or juice. Actually, meron ako dito so far. So, minom din ako ng juice ko while I'm making this video. Okay. So now, let me share this insider information to you. Alright? Um, just to share with you, um, like approximately 4 years ago, as far as I can remember it, I have a friend. His name is James. Ka-office mate ko siya. And inofera niya ako dati ng MLM. Though, hindi ko pa alam tong mga online stuff na to. As in zero. Wala akong alam dito before. Inofera niya ako na jumoin sa isang multi-level company. And bagong-bago lang yung company na yon. And the presentation was good. Kinausap niya ako. He's my friend. But for some reason, I had that weird feeling na, you know, ayoko siyang gawin, right? I'm kind of feeling na unsecured when I do that. When I join in MLM or multi-level marketing company, which is pinopromote niya doon before was I think AIM Global. All right, it was AIM Global. So dinecline ko yung offer niya sa akin. I really felt bad about that, but I cannot blame myself because hindi ko talaga siya feel gawin eh. Right? So I know na medyo sumama yung loob niya thinking na sasali ako sa kanya. So I didn't do that. But he's so professional about it. And actually, sinilip ko yung Facebook page niya kamakailan lang. Right? And eto na siya. Meron siyang picture na katabi ang Montero Sport. I don't know kung kanya talaga yan or fake yan. But I don't really care. But I think kanya talaga yung Montero Sport na yan. Why? Because up until now, nasa AIM Global pa rin siya. Alright. So, he's been there na, I think, 4 years nasa AIM Global. So, basically, hindi ka tatagal sa isang bagay if you're not making money. Right? Hindi ka mag-i-stay sa isang bagay, nagawin ng isang bagay kung, alam mo, hindi ka kumikita. Right? So, nandun pa rin siya. So, bad for me, good for him, and best regards for James, right? And another thing is, a couple of months ago, nag-usap kami ni Pinoy Deal sa isang cafeteria, which is Starbucks, right, sa may SM South Mall. Usap kami about some insider tip. Merong isang bagong MLM company na bubuksan, and we are going to be one of the pioneers of that company. So basically, that's a very good opportunity for me. All right, for both of us actually. And ang pangalan ng company na yon was Business Empire. So posible nakikita mo na yung Business Empire when you're clicking ads sa TVI PTC. So you see those people na nagka-cash out ng cheque, dami nilang pera, right? Pinapakita nila sa kalye. Good. And I also felt bad about that. Kasi dapat nandun ako sa video na yon, and I'm also one of the mentor there. Siguro by that time, kasi ilang buwan lang yun eh. Mga nakalipas, right? But I still didn't join, and I let the opportunity pass. Though I know na malaki yon, malaking opportunity for me. And I got that insider info that will give me 100% success with no failing rate. Kasi galing na mismo sa may sa may mentor ko yan, which is si Pinoy Deal. So I trust him a lot. All right. And for some reason hindi pa rin ako sumali. If you're wondering why hindi ako sumali, is because sa totoo lang, tinatamad ako. All right. Tinatamad akong jumoin sa mga offline MLM. Or by that time, I mean, I got the money to join. Mura lang naman yung entry fee. But parang hindi ko lang siya feel gawin. Alright? And then, one more thing, isa pa, is comfort zone ko ng kumita online, alone. Alright? You know that by now, right? Kasi you always follow me in my Facebook account, in Sulit, all those good stuff. And also, umiral na naman yung pagiging negative ko. Like, pangit yung product. Kasi when I check the product, nung time na yon, medyo hindi ko gusto. Though I know that it's an opportunity na mag-work for me. Pero, alam mo yun, lahat na ng mga negative na bagay, inisip ko na about, the company. Alright? So, I just kinda, thought na ang dami kong pinalampas na opportunity. Alright? So, hindi lang ikaw ang nagpapalampas ng opportunity. Nagiging biktima rin ako doon. Minsan. Right? But, I think hindi na ngayon. Okay? I think it's time I need to grow up because I know I got the skills to lead. I got the skills to market. I know I can help and guide people to succeed. And I know that with a solid plan and proven strategies, multi-level marketing can be a long-term gold mine. And which is true. Kaya nga nakikita mo silang mga successful sa MLM, may mga auto, lalaki ng bahay, daming pera, right? Milyonaryo, right? Though medyo, alam mo yun, yung iba medyo overacting na kasi gawin eh, right? So, I actually have this very good plan to tell you, alright, if you're kind of willing to work with me, okay? And I know that this is going to be, this is going to work. I believe in this, alright? Naniniwala ako dito. I actually have this proven sa sarili ko with pay to click, alright? And I think meron silang somewhat pagkakadikit, alright? Or related silang dalawa. So, just to give you some glimpse of my pay to click account here, like here in ClickSense. I always been here on the top. Alright, yan si Pinoy Deal sa may top sponsor, mga malalakas mag-market online. And I'm always here for the past around, it's almost a year na nandito ako. Consistent ako dito sa ClickSense ever since. Nung natutunan ko yung pag-market online. Alright. So, all I need by now is just a profitable MLM to promote and work on. Alright. So, if you're interested, below in this video, there's a link. Alright. You just have to click on that link and ipapaliwanag ko siya sa'yo kung bakit siya ang napili ko and why I want you to be on my team. Alright. So, thanks for watching this video and I'm gonna see you on the other side. Alright. Have a good one. Bye-bye.